'cause you're shattering, shattering the part of me, and I can take it. My heart is so hollow, the blood has an echo inside of my veins. My heart is so hollow, your voice is an arrow, making the pain.
Hey babes, Lady Borgia, and ooh, we got something that I've been wanting to play with. Whoomp, whoomp.
Sorry,
yes.
I'm not sure about that.
Oh, Alexa, I am totally sure I've been wanting to play with this. She's butting in all the time now. Now it's at the beginning of videos. Anyway, we're going to get into the new Alyssa Edwards, Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette. And super excited into the ABH eye primer. Oh, dying for this too. Look at the beauty of this. And she's untouched because I always wait for you guys because I love you. All right, let's get going. Give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ding 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 dong ding, hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's go. Okay guys, we are ready to roll. I pulled you guys in closer, did my brows, and just put a little bit of concealer up top to carve them out so we can try the ABH base. I don't think I've been excited for a base like this. I'm just gonna put a little bit. They say a little goes a very long way. And supposedly there was a problem with the packaging at one point. I was reading reviews where it just keeps coming out. Mine does not do that, so it obviously has been fixed. And I'm just gonna go in with my brush and tap it out. I like the color. It's nice and light. And it's blending out nicely. And it's actually blending nicely and playing nicely with a little bit of concealer up here. Although I can see how you could use it to carve out your brows if you wanted to. It's a little tacky. It's nice. Oh yeah. That did. A little bit did go a long way. So yeah, that's gonna last a while. I want to see how it cuts a crease too. So let's just get going. I'm gonna grab, I think this is a 321 from Morphe. And we're gonna go into Brick Road because I am a sucker for yellow. Ooh, she picked up nicely. Little kick, that's okay. And we're gonna just put her up here and see what she does. Ooh, that just was one touch. Okay, let's touch ourselves. Let's touch ourselves again. Good Lord. Okay. I like that color. Ooh, that is a good yellow. And I'm just going to bring her out a little bit. Okay. Oh, this is very pretty. Reminds me kind of Butter Cupcake from SUGARPILL. It's a little bit different. I collect yellows. I really want to check out Texas Made. And not too much cake. Then I'm going to go underneath. I'm just going to pack it underneath. Ooh. She's popping out. All right. Well, let's just map it out, girl. All right, I'm gonna grab the 507 now. And then I guess I'm gonna blend it into that yellow. And let's see what pretty colors we get. All right, I'm gonna be dipping back and forth between Brick Road and Texas Made. It's so pretty. And I'm gonna go back to this. This is just more comfortable for me. I'm gonna add a little more Brick Road above here. Turn that out. You know, you could make this super pigmented, and I think you could tone it down a lot too if you wanted to. A little more Texas Made. as I say tone down. Okay, we are blended out and dying to try out headliner, this white, because that is always a test. Can the white hang? I got a little flat shader here, just right at the arch. Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, I like that. Yes. Let's get her hair. I know, I still need to do my hair. I haven't done it yet. Needs to be a sunny day. And you might think that's crazy, but you'll understand why when you see the video. I'm going to add a little bit of the yellow back in. Just a little, and pat her through just so she blends right there. Oh, and that blended very nicely. Perfection. Okay, I want to try this deep raspberry looking color. It's kind of hard to tell in the pan. BBDC. So we're gonna do that. Oh, as I throw the brush out that came with it, with this little bitty blender. So I'm just gonna take a little of that and deepen up here. Ooh! Oh! Oh, hello. Why, how are you? You are darling. Look at that. Hi, BBDC. I'm going to bring it farther up in the outer corner and then just bring it over. That was no effort. Holy crap. Well then. All right, let's cut the crease and see how that goes. Okay, that cut very nicely, very smooth. I don't want it to dry out. I want it to stay tacky. So I'm going to go in with Inspire first, and then I'll cut the other crease. And try packing it on then. Okay. Maybe I got to get in there more. Okay, there we go. I have not wet the brush. I like to see how they work without it. Especially with a wet base. Oh, is she pretty? Okay. Well, you know what? While I'm deciding what I want to do next, I'm going to cut the other crease, catch this up, and then we will move on. But that would look really pretty just with the gold. Ooh. Man, decisions! I like you, Alyssa Edwards, for making this beautiful palette. Even though I haven't used half of it yet, but okay. Okay, I'm gonna put more gold. Inspire. And it's not the only time I get to use the palette. It is mine, so I gotta remember these things. You don't always have to do that. And I'm gonna bring this out. But don't you be worried, these are still going in. Alright, I decided to get into Jeffree Star's Jawbreaker collection. Heck, they're friends, right? Into some bronze blood. And just make sure it's extra sharp. There we go. Yeah, it's almost exactly the same color, but pull it around. Okay, there, yeah, and I want to pull this out to here. We need to close it off. There we go. And we're going to close it off with this, but that's not all. There we go. Yeah, I want to bring it out a little wider. There. I'm going to go in with bronze blood and cut off the edge. Okay. I knew something was missing. Okay, we've got lashes on, and then I took Yes Ma'am and just ran it up the side of the wing that we made with, oh God, bronze blood. Yes. Which just so happened to go perfectly with Inspire. So there you go for using the new collections that you have. Well, hell, I figure that shouldn't be shocking. I should be familiar with them. Okay, I want to take Yes Ma'am and go down into the lower waterline. So I've got a Sigma E17, and it is actually meant for putting in your waterline. Fill that in a little bit and connect that line. All right, that works. Okay, guys, we're ready to go now. You can see, while I was waiting, I just brushed the powder off the concealer like normal, under eyes, corner of nose, and right here. No foundation. Quick little contour, and I put some blush from JUVIA'S place. I used this one and did really high on the cheekbone since the wing is going up high, and it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of making me feel like an intergalactic wing. This is the Saharan Blush Volume 2. So we can keep going and wrap this up with the under eye. Where do I want to go with this? We've already got pink under there, so I do want to go into Texas Made and Beyond. Let me grab a little brush for that. This will do. This is a 210. I'm going to go into Texas Made just to stamp it on. Okay, and then we're going to go into the Beyond the Shimmer. This is a very pinky yellow look. Okay, and just add some of that there. You know what? We do need the purple. I'm going to take this little blending brush that has gold on it and wipe it off. I need another one of these. This thing is fantastic. And go into DDC. And I just want my inner corner to be purple. I'm dying to use this purple and this blue. Okay, yes. Need that to kind of like suck it in, and we've pulled it out and we're going to pull it in. I want to take some of this BBDC. I really like that color, and run it just under. I don't want to go too far out because I don't want to go beyond that like kind of space wing that I created with the Jeffree Star liquid lips. Just so happened to go oh so well. Fantastic. The two collections that I decided to go with this summer go with each other. Ooh, that is quite an under eye, isn't it? Ooh. All right. Let's do some highlighter and lipstick, and we are done. Okay, we're going to jump into the Sugar Glow Kit by ABH, why not, and some Gumdrop and Starburst since we've got some pink going on, and my favorite brush, and just, ooh, I cannot wait to use. Well, okay, we'll talk about Jeffree Star next time. We're giving ABH a moment. Although I did sneak Jeffree Star in there. Oh. Okay, we need a lip. Right back. And we are complete. Ooh, I love this alien. Alright, what do I think? We have the Alyssa Edwards ABH collab and the eyeshadow primer. I am in love with this. This is fantastic to cut creases with, and it's like super quick. I don't know, something about the consistency, everything else, and it covers quickly. And I read the reviews about it coming out fast. You just open it and it's like blurbling out, not happening. So they fixed it. Get this, it's awesome. What do I think of the palette? Well, we use 7 shades. The white, Brick Road, what is that? Texas Made, Beyond, BBDC, and DDC. So 7, oh, I'm sorry, and Inspire. So 7 out of 14 shades. I think they're beautiful. That white up there is just topping it off, and this is just, I really wanted to use the blue today too, but hey, there's more time. I love the packaging. I love how smooth it is. Only issue I had, it was when my hand got a little bit warm because it's humid out. It got a little slippery, but that's a summer issue. So, and I think it's really fantastic that it kind of goes with some of the stuff from the Jeffree Star collection. So for me, if you love both, that's a huge bonus. All right, guys, what do I think? After a first impression, I say go for it. I think they're great. All right, guys, I love you all so much. Give a girl a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and ding, 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 dong, ding. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. All right. Love you all. Lady Borgia.